again with our friends the Westfalls. Yep. Now we're out here plowing.
Working good.
How did harvest go?
Good. The corn crop was really good this year. The weather was good for it. Can't complain.
This one's kind of your tractor, huh?
Yeah. Well, yesterday I used the other one all day. We had a friend out helping, so he was running this one. So we do switch sometimes. Or if we're only using one, if somebody's doing something else, we usually use the big one.
Yep, makes sense.
Yeah.
How do you like plowing with your AGCO?
Really good. I really like this tractor. Got a lot of power. Doesn't use a lot of fuel for the power it's got.
Are you telling me when you bought? Tell us about when you bought this one.
Yeah, well, it wasn't really that we were looking to. I mean, we were planning on getting a tractor within the next few years, but when they quit making the orange tractors, then we decided that we better find a good shaped used one. Found this one from a farmer out of Iowa that had it for sale. It was just his. He had only used it for like planting and spraying and stuff, so it was never pulled hard or anything. So it's been a good tractor over the years.
Yeah, those orange AGCOs, they look real snazzy.
Yeah, that's right. I enjoy them.
combine and this one's kind of yours and the other one's your brother's?
Usually, yeah. We normally the deal is if just one of us can plow, we always use it because this is the bigger, nicer tractor and stuff. But when we both plow, usually this is how we run them. So, yeah.
Telling me this was a local tractor when you guys got it.
Yep, we bought this one back in the spring of 2019. It used to be Jim Frederick's tractor from north of Stewart. And when he retired, he had it for sale, and we picked it up then. It's been really a good tractor for 150 horses. It really pulls good.
Yeah, it's got a sharp look to it too.
Yeah, he took good care of it, kept it shedded.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys for letting us come out again and watch you guys plow.
Not a problem.
Yeah, it was fun. It's kind of sad to see the farming season coming to a close for the year.
Mm-hmm. Soon it'll be winter. Yep.
Soon winter is coming. It's been a good year though. I mean,
We had a good crop, so we
crops
can't
are good,
complain.
so we can't complain about it. And this is what we love to drive.
Yep.
Drive equipment.
You love plowing too, huh?
We can't wait for that first day of field work next spring either.
Yeah, but we've already talked about some stuff to maybe come back and film next year.
Yeah.
That's right, yeah. Come on back at planting time.
Mm-hmm. Yep, well, hope everybody enjoyed the video, and thanks again, guys.
Thank you.